Folks, look at SharperTrades. The market remains resilient despite some of the early tension through the weekend, where there was escalation between China and the US. The US discussion of raising their tariffs to again 50% on aluminum and steel. Anyway, market shows strength nevertheless. Continuing to close above the 80 and 586. This is the current support. Below that, 578 and 570. Targets 603 with 600 in between, and then 612 and 620. INOD. This one, I like the volume, not a lot, but increasing 2 days in a row. Steady above the 50 simple the moving average. Today popped Friday highs potential 46, 52, 59, and 68. Very volatile with the support today low and Friday low. Pinterest is a swing that after getting closer to the first target at 34 a couple of weeks ago has been pulling back, stable above 30, 50. Now it's still below the 200 SMA, so it needs to come back above it, above 30 to 30, and then hit the target at 34. So this is got a little bit of work to do. Line in the sand is this low at 30. SOFI, also keep an eye on this one. I like it. It's a company that's got some challenges, quite big in fact, but eventually I think it's going to go higher. I like this base above the 50 simple the moving average, 1450, 1590, 1750, 1910. Support is Friday low and then 50 SMA further down. TOST something worth paying attention. Breakout with volume today received an upgrade. Target at 48. Quite a bit of dark pool activities over the past couple of days. I'm looking for a breakout of 44. Precisely this year back in 44.12. November 26, 2024. So 44.12 needs to break through and hold, and then there will be a breakout of all-time high prior to these recent highs, which are now technically all-time high. So, and then in that case, there's some resistance 46, 48, and then 52, 50, 52. Support is yesterday low, Friday low, and then further down this level here at 40. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.